So here in this video, I will show you how you can install Excel on your Mac like this. To install Excel, you can open up your Safari by going, and then you can go to google.com. After you are in google.com, you can search up Excel. Perhaps it would be good if you make it more specific, like saying like Excel Mac download. So there are two types of Microsoft Excel, which is the standalone like this without the Microsoft 365, or you can install the Microsoft 365 to get all of the things from Microsoft, such as Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. But if you just want to install Microsoft Excel, you can go straight into App Store, and here you go. So if you open up App Store, you can do it by searching. Go here, go into this thing, comment and space to open up the spotlight search, or you can just do this and then you can search up App Store. Open it up and just search for Excel right here, and then you can just download it and open it. And you can also download up the Microsoft 365 from the App Store. Just click that and you will get all of these things from Microsoft. After you finish downloading, you can easily open up your Excel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.